Hello Sameers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to extract a desired result in a nested JSON. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So guys, let me now create a file. I'll write desired result in nested JSON.js file. So now I'll create JSON. I'll show what exactly we have to extract. This is one of the things which we can come across when we're doing a real-time examples if you want to extract data. So here I'll take a simple JSON, which is a nested one. The same attributes are present in each and every category here. I write name. I'll just write Azhar. Profession I can write, or I can write job. So I'll write YouTuber, and I can write the location. And the location I can give it as simple object. This object consists of a city. City I can write Kolkata, and state I can write West Bengal. State I can write West Bengal. I'll just write WB. Alright. So here you can, if you want to extract the name and the state of Azhar, if everything is same, we can easily extract it. What if the structure changes from each and every category? Now here we don't have a location as such, right? Here we have name. We can give any name. Let me give name as Arun. Arun is a software engineer. I'll just write SC. And the city he is in, let's say Bangalore, and state is Karnataka. You can see the structure here. The city and state in this particular thing are not inside the location, but here we can see location, right? Now we'll take one more thing, and then we can run a program. Here let us take this as Mr.Beast, one of my favorite YouTuber. So I can write state as US, city I don't know, I'm just guessing it. So I'll write New York, right? Here I'll write one more attribute here. So I'll give one more note. So this is an address. So inside an address I have to write city and state. Alright. Inside this, so I'll be writing location. Okay. So location has an address has city and state. So this is this deep now. Okay. So what if I want only the name and the state, or name, job, city? If you want to extract only this, how I can write? Okay. So let me minimize this. So let me minimize the data. So this is the entire JSON. So we have 3 nodes. So this is a nested JSON, how it looks like. Now we can write a program. So here I'll write a iterative. Here I'll write a recursive function. So I'll write here. So I'm just minimizing that so that program could be visible. For function recursive, and I want to pass an object here. That object will be this data object. Now here I'll write a for loop. Here I'll write prop. Prop is nothing but a property in an object. So the object which we have taken here. So I'm taking the same object. Here I'll write if type of object property. If type of object property equal to object. If it is still an object, then you call a recursive function. So if it's an object, what will do? Recursive function will call inside. So this is known as recursive, calling function inside a function. And what will pass here? So we'll pass object property, because the property itself is an object. So here you can see, here it's a property location, but inside it's an object. But here we don't have such. Here we have object, and also inside this one more object we have. Alright. So let me minimize this data object. Now what we'll do in else. So if we don't find anything, here I'll specify if the property equal to name, or if the property we need city, and also we need a job. So I'll write job here. Maybe I can copy here. I'll write or. I'll copy this, and here I need a city. So I'll write console.log. I'll write property dot select property, and here I'll write plus specifying what is the property and what is the property value. So I'll write object prop. Now we have to call this function. So I'll write an object dot is a filter method. I'll cover this in other videos, or I can, if the video is already there, I'll add the video in the eye on the right hand side top corner. So I want to filter this item. So we'll know more about this function later. So I want to filter it with the recursive and item. Okay, so now let me run this. CLS. So yeah, now we have run it. So first one, you can see the answer. Name is Azhar, job is YouTuber, city is Kolkata. Second, we have Arun, job is software engineer, city is Bangalore. Third, we have name as Mr.Beast, YouTuber, city is New York. So this is the few examples which we have extracted: name, job, and city. We can extract anything. Let's say if I want to extract state instead of city, I have to give the state here. Then I have to just save this, and I can run it and clear the screen. I can run it. So I'll get name, job, and the state. We can play this around. If you want more, you can add or condition, you can add it like that. For now I'll keep city only. I'll save this and I'll run it. This is how we can use a recursive function for nested JSON to extract a value. I'll add this code in the description. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. If you find more scenarios, let me know in the comments below. And also if you want to improve this program, and if you have more suggestions, let me know in the comments below. If you like the video guys, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.